So there are two categories of transact. The first one is called data manipulation language. These are the transactions you'll see if you were to watch live transactions flow through the relational engine. Right? We want to manipulate the data so we can do something with it. We want to see the data, so we select it. Select is a DML language component. We want to get data in that table, right? So we insert it. Again, we're manipulating the data. We want to delete it, DML. And we want to update it, DML. And those are the four main pieces of code you'll see in the vast majority of OLTP boxes. You're going to see selects, you're going to see inserts, updates, and deletes. And that is data manipulation language. And the second category is data definition language. Kind of makes sense. We're going to define something. Right? A create table. We are defining the table. We're going to create an index. We are defining the boundaries of that index. Right? That is a data definition language, or that is DDL. We're going to create a view. Right? Again, DDL. We're going to alter a table to maybe add a clustered index. Alter is DDL. So we've got these two categories. We've got DML and DDL.